Hi, I'm going to be looking at Trendy Crochet handbags today and taking just a deep look into how things are constructed and how we can go about making it ourselves. So this video is for educational purposes, and I hope that if you enjoy this, you give me a like and that you also subscribe to my channel, because that will be really helpful for me to make more content like this. These two tote style bags are made with flower motifs. They are both really nice. The white one on the right is lined, so you can't see through it, but the black one is quite lacy. It's got big eyelets and it has a more modern floral look, and that is a really nice market bag. So with this black bag, it's just floral motifs that are connected together. You can either sew them or you can crochet as you go on the sides and connect the petals together, and then you just do that. You add a handle and there you go, you have a bag. So I'll offer you some flower motifs I have that I think would be good to use to make a bag similar to this one. So firstly we have this flower, which, while not being exactly the same, I think will produce similar results to the bag we just saw, especially if you make it in a trendy colour like black or beige, jute, neutrals. I think it would look very good. Here is another floral variation that you could use. It has eyelets as well, and it has many petals, but these ones are more rounded. This flower with longer and thinner petals, I think, would also create a beautiful bag. And like the previous two flowers, it contains 8 petals and has lots of eyelets, so it makes for a great market bag. Here is another variation, and in this flower you can see how they can be joined to create a fabric. And I also like the fact that it's 2 colours. This one you can see how you can modify it to create something truly unique. This pretty white bag displays an intricate lace floral crochet pattern. The bag appears to be constructed out of high affinity cotton yarn and appears to have an internal lining that helps to maintain its shape. Although when we look closely at this bag, we can see that the bag was actually probably created in double crochets, and then the flower appliques were placed on top. Okay, here I've provided some similar looking motifs, flower motif diagrams that can help you achieve a similar look, especially when you use white cotton yarn as they have in that bag. I love this bag. It's so easy and simple and stylish. All you need to do is make 2 solid hexagons, and then you just need to do the side panels, and that's it. Put in some handles, perfect. You can make this in any colour, and it won't even take too long to do. Fits quite a few things and it looks really nice, stylish and modern. Here is another alternative you can try with a solid hexagon, and this one's just made up of double crochets, and it's also another very easy alternative. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, please give me a like, a share and subscribe so that I can keep making more content like this. Thank you. Bye.